Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. During these summer heat waves, I am concentrating on watering of my trees because I want them to be really good hydrated. During these really extreme heat waves, I spend approximately 2.5 hours every day just watering them. Deciduous broadleaf trees are really suffering these days, but there are some species which are really enjoying this heat and full sun. Among them, of course, are junipers, which are in full growth now, so I decided to style this one. This is Itoigawa juniper, imported from Japan a few years ago, and it needs a new wiring to fully express its beauty. The only issue it has right now is this live vein here, which died off sadly, but this is a natural process on these trees. So first I will clean the all live veins and work a little bit on Deadwood, then I will start to work on the crown. Let's take a closer look to this not anymore live vein. This vein was connected to this root, but this root is now sticking out of the soil and it is dead, so also this vein is dead up to here. I will clean it up and work a little bit on the deadwood. Meanwhile, I discovered that also the second vein is dead because both of them were connected to this branch here, which is long dead. So it is logical or natural that both of these live veins are dead now. Using power tools, I will work on both veins so that they blend in as naturally as possible with the rest of the deadwood. I always move the carving tool in the direction of the wood grain, following the direction of growth rather than cutting across the grain. I start with a larger carving bit and later, for finer work, I switch to a smaller bit with a finer tip. I first clean the remaining live veins mechanically with a knife, then I use a sponge and water to remove any remaining debris. Finally, I treat the deadwood with lime sulfur. This protects the wood, and once it dries, it develops a natural gray color. It also makes the boundary between the live and dead parts of the tree even more pronounced. The first stage is now complete. So it is time to start work on the crown. I will probably change the front a little bit in this direction so that the line vein will be more visible from the front, and with that I will also tilt the crown a little bit back like this. So let us see how it will turn out. The tree is now without any wire, and this is the new front. The next step will be rewiring the tree. As I will rewire the tree, I will thin out the branches and cut them a little bit. And this is it, the job done. I put a lot of definition into the crown, so maybe at the moment the lines are even too sharp, but with the time, with the new growth, they will soften up. Maybe I would wish also a little more empty spaces in the crown, but this is up to the new owner. This tree is for sale now, and if you like it, don't hesitate to get in touch. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.